Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How y'all doing? If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you guys decided to stop by and check out today's video. Y'all already know what I'm going to be talking about today's thumbnail. Hunty. Yes. Yeah. Y'all, I'm so excited about this particular product. Y'all, I'm just so excited because I've been doing a lot of review and in-depth follow-up of Wonder Grow hair grease, so it feels good to kind of just switch things up a little bit and flip it back over to an actual oil. So yes, honey, if you did not pay any mind to the thumbnail, today's video is all about this particular product. So yes, you guys, today we are going to talk about the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So y'all, before we get into the logistics of it all, before we get into the in-depth intel about it all, let's just start off with how it looks. Y'all, I'm feeling this. Like, I'm truly y'all, my nose was itching. I didn't dig in my nose or the scratch right there. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get into the look of this. I love these little bottles. They have like the little medicine cap is what I call it at the top. Not really sure what you call this top, but I call it a medicine cap. But I like that a lot. I like the color of the little bottle. I think it's super cute. And yeah, I can see what's in here. I can see how much of the product I have left. And by the way, you guys, this is a 2 floral ounce. Granted, it's not a big bottle at all. However, in my opinion, a little bit goes a long way. In my opinion. Besides, well, we'll get into the besides part later, but a little bit to me goes a long way. So I'm not complaining about it being a 2 floral ounce. Okay, so now let's get into the next thing. And I typically do this next part toward the middle or end of the video, but since we just talking about the logistics and stuff, let me get into the scent of this product. It does have a scent. Okay, it has a smell, but it's not bad. I can't complain. Now, the good thing that I can say about the rosemary mint scent that it has, when you initially apply it to your scalp, yes, you do smell it. In fact, you may smell it that first day, but by the second or third day, the scent would have subsided. Let's get into the texture of this oil. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it, and I'm not going to put a lot of baby. We going into the price point next, but for the sake of today's video, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to spew a little bit on my hand so you guys can see that it is kind of runny. It's not a thick oil at all. It's actually, you guys, light. It is a light oil. Now, I will say it smells more like rosemary more than the mint. The rosemary really takes over the mint smell. You mainly get just a hint of the mint, but you predominantly smell the rosemary. So let's go ahead and let's get deep into the intel of this product. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil with biotin and essential oils. Nourishing treatment for split ends and dry scalp for all hair types. Both rosemary and mint essential oils are known to increase blood circulation, which allows for more oxygen to be carried to your scalp. More oxygen will stimulate your hair follicles, resulting in faster, thicker hair. It also soothes dry scalp. So if you experience dry scalp, this is definitely probably an oil that you want to consider, especially when you're talking about protective. Okay, you guys, so this product is extremely easy to do. Now, I'm not going to use this every day because I hate lots, so I probably only use this oil. But anyway, for the sake of today's video, the way that I use this product, I just kind of squeeze the top to get some of the product in the dropper. I don't know if you can see it. And then I just kind of go through, and I don't squeeze it all out in one place. I just kind of go through my hair and kind of just squeeze the topper. Get the product down directly into the scalp. Like so. And then I massage it in. Okay. Now, you may not have to massage it in depending on what type of protective hairstyle that you have, because you're going directly to the scalp. But I tend to like to go in and just show my scalp a little love and really just massage the product in there really well. And then any excess I have, I do kind of just, you know, run it down the protective style if I'm wearing a loose protective style like so, just to give it a little bit of added sheen. Also, I want to go directly to those areas that provides just a little bit more of tender loving care. Get the product directly there. So for me, that's definitely toward the back of my hair or the back of my head, and I just kind of massage it in there really good. Like so. So there's no tremendous new growth at this point because these twists are no more than a week old. So we're going to allow more time, but I will keep you guys updated on my progress in using this particular product. I'm going to use it for about 30 days, for about a month, something to that effect. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I may do weekly updates. I'm not 100% sure, but definitely going to keep you guys updated and keep you in the know of the progress. I hope this video is helpful. Oh, wait. Also, you guys, so I'm sure a lot of you are probably wondering what the price point of this particular product is. So you guys, this little 2 floral ounce bottle cost me $9.99. However, I did see it online for cheaper. So online I have seen it for $8.99. So if you're interested in purchasing this and trying this product out to see how it works for you, then I have that information down in the description box below. Again, I'm not telling you to run out there and buy this, but what I am saying is you may want to consider purchasing this because it may be helpful for you. Again, I will keep you in the know of my progress, but this is just, you know, this is new to me. We'll keep you updated and let you know. But it is pricey, but I'm hoping that it's well worth it. Okay? But yeah, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I'll see you tips in the next one. Smooches.